Welcome to Royal Rides. Today, we unveil a masterpiece of American engineering and luxury, the 2026 Newmar King Aire, a Class A diesel motorhome that redefines road travel with its opulence, innovation, and performance. From the moment you lay eyes on the King Aire, it's clear this is no ordinary motorhome. With its commanding 45-foot length, sculpted full-paint masterpiece finish, and industry-exclusive Girard power awnings with LED lighting, the exterior is a moving mansion wrapped in elegance. Newmar offers several custom paint options, each hand-polished for a mirror-like gloss that turns heads at every stop. Built on a Spartan K3605 chassis with a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 diesel engine, the King Aire delivers unmatched power and torque, capable of towing up to 20,000 pounds. The Comfort Drive steering system with passive steer ensures a silky smooth ride, even on rugged highways, while a robust air suspension system absorbs bumps for true driving luxury. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of five-star sophistication. The interior is crafted with ultra-high-end villa furniture, hand-laid porcelain tile flooring, and luxurious hardwood cabinetry. Choose from several designer decor palettes, all coordinated by Newmar's interior specialists. The spacious salon features power recliners, an 80-inch sleeper sofa, and a Samsung 8K Smart TV with a Bose sound system, giving you a cinema-grade entertainment experience. The kitchen is a gourmet's dream, equipped with quartz countertops, a Wolf induction cooktop, Fisher & Paykel dishwasher, and a residential-size Whirlpool fridge. There's ample pantry space with adjustable shelves, soft close drawers, and a stylish dinette with large windows for scenic dining. The master suite is nothing short of a luxury apartment. It includes a king-size sleep number adjustable bed, 4K smart TV, walk-in wardrobe with cedar lining, and an optional washer-dryer combo. Ambient lighting, climate control, and motorized shades create the ultimate sleep sanctuary. The bathroom features a tiled shower with Aqua Miser water-saving technology, teak seating, and a rainfall showerhead. The vanity includes dual sinks, illuminated mirrors, and abundant storage. In terms of technology, the 2026 King Aire is a rolling smart home. It includes Starlink satellite internet, a digital multiplex control system, and custom Apple and Android apps for controlling lighting, climate, awnings, and slides. The cockpit integrates digital instrumentation, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and 360-degree HD cameras for maximum driving confidence. Safety is a top priority, with features like collision mitigation, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring, and an automatic fire suppression system in the engine bay. There's also a solar prep package and 12.5 kilowatts Onan diesel generator with auto start for complete off-grid independence. Starting at over $1.5 million, the 2026 Newmar King Aire isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile palace for those who demand the best in every mile. It's a bold statement of wealth, freedom, and craftsmanship, perfect for those who live to explore without compromise. Thanks for watching Royal Rides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury motorhome showcases. Until next time, keep rolling in style.